Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials, and today I'm going to show you how to delete or remove a blank page in Word. So first, make sure you're viewing formatting masks. These masks show you where spaces, tabs, and where breaks are in your document. Okay, so once you're at here, click here, basically. So click at the end of text before the blank page or at the beginning of the blank page itself. Process delete and or backspace, basically. So until the page is removed, if the blank page is caused by unwanted page break, you can simply delete or delete that page break, basically. So that's how quick and easy it is. So I hope this video is of any help. Thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials. You guys have a nice day.